everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Uthando nesithembo. Guys, after Mseleku surprise birthday party ekade organized amakhosikazi akhe, he decided to spoil them by booking one of the most expensive and beautiful hotel in Durban East Coast. I hope ukuthi lamadoda kamnakwethu are taking note ukuthi isithembu asimdingi umuntu opatanisayo financially, sidinga imali. Mseleku gave mamkhulu Macele a message as the first wife to tell her sister's wife what he's expecting from them. What he ever wanted, guys, is unity between them, but it seems as if that will never happen. They blame him, but we actually they don't know what Mseleku wants from them. Mangwabe mentioned he sometimes have a problem if one of his two wives are getting along. I think, guys, he wants them as a group of four: Macele, MaYeni, Mangwabe, and Makhumalo, not amathutu lawo bona abawenzayo. What I realized, guys, from today's episode is that MaYeni is the problem wife kahle kahle kulesi sithembu. Akazwani namuntu uziphilele emhlabeni wakhe yedwa with her husband and their children. All the other wives does not exist according to her. Makhumalo, guys, is trying her level best to fit kulamakhosikazi, but no, guys, she is not accepted. I don't know why. Mamkhulu is only getting along with Mangwabe, and she also don't have a problem with Tobile, although they are not that close. According to my opinion, Mseleku must just forget about unity. It will never happen. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Who is the problem wife according to your opinion? Bye.